What really happened in Sodom and Gomorrah that made God destroy entire cities? Was it just sin? Well, let's find out. Watch till the end and please subscribe. Was there something deeper? Because these cities weren't just corrupted. They had become something else entirely. And what happened there was so serious, it had to be erased. After the flood, humanity started again. But corruption didn't disappear. It returned, slowly, quietly, and eventually, it concentrated in cities like Sodom and Gomorrah. At first, they were just cities, growing, prosperous, full of life. But beneath the surface, something darker was forming. These weren't just places of sin. They became places without boundaries, where right and wrong no longer mattered, where desire replaced control, where power replaced truth, and where people stopped listening to anything beyond themselves. But according to ancient accounts, the problem went deeper than behavior, because these cities became known for something extreme, something that shocked even visitors. When messengers angels arrived in Sodom, they weren't welcomed. They were targeted, surrounded, pressured. The entire city moved as one. And in that moment, it revealed something disturbing. This wasn't just individual corruption. This was collective, normalized, accepted, a system. And Lot saw it. He knew something was wrong, something far beyond what could be fixed. So he was warned, leave immediately, no delay, no hesitation, because what was coming would not be stopped. And then it happened. Fire from the sky, not symbolic, not gradual, instant, total destruction. The cities were razed, everything gone. But here's the part that raises questions. Why such a complete judgment? Because other places were sinful too. But Sodom and Gomorrah were different. Some believe it wasn't just about sin, but about how far humanity had gone, how much it had changed, how much it had lost control, and possibly how close it was to repeating something from before the flood. Because when boundaries disappear, history begins to repeat itself, and maybe that's what was being prevented, which leads to the real question. Was Sodom destroyed because of what it was, or because of what it was becoming? And if that pattern ever returns, would the outcome be any different?